Hey there, welcome to the video where we tackle an interesting problem related to optimizing the initialization of a 1D numpy array with true values. The problem here is that we want to find the fastest method to achieve this, and there are several options available. We've done some testing using the %timei function in Python to compare different approaches and see which one performs the best. Now, let's dive into the solution we've found for this particular problem. By leveraging the use of numpy and some clever tricks, we were able to determine that using np.fromBuffer with a byte array and just is the fastest method among the ones we tested. This is because bytearray just calls memset under the hood, allowing for a quick initialization of the byte array. The remaining time is mainly spent on constructing the byte array and the numpy array. This solution outperformed other methods like np.ones, np.zeros, np.full, and np.empty with manual assignment. In summary, when looking to initialize a 1D numpy array with true values, using np.fromBuffer with a byte array and will just proves to be the most efficient method in terms of speed. It may seem like a small optimization, but every bit of performance gain counts, especially when working with large data sets. So, give this method a try in your projects and see the difference it can make. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Who knows, your comment might just end up being the highlight of our day.